In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download apps on MacBook. So let's get started. Now, there are two ways. So first of all, when you want to download an app, for example, in this video, we're going to be using Discord as an example. So your first step should be go to the App Store on your Mac. You can just go ahead and click on Launchpad and type in App Store, and you'll be redirected to a page like this. Then obviously on the search bar, you're gonna search up the app, which I've already done, Discord. You're gonna click on it, enter, and as you can see, there is no Discord here, but some other apps, for example WhatsApp, and they are there. So you can just go ahead, click on get, install. Obviously, if there's any password, you can just go ahead and put it in, and you're good to go. However, in our case, for example, Discord is not there on the App Store. There are also other apps, for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Streamio, and many other apps that are also not available on App Store. And this is where you're gonna go to a web browser. So you're gonna go to the web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome. You're gonna search up download Discord for Mac, because obviously we're on a Mac. Just click on that. Now, one tip is that you should always go to the official website of the app you're trying to download. So in my case, I'm trying to download Discord, so I'll have to go for discord.com. I wouldn't go for a website like this because it's like a third-party website. So I'm just gonna go for the official website because that's the most safest way. Just go ahead and click download for Mac, and there you go. It's gonna download a DMG file, okay? Now, sometimes when you try to open the DMG file after it's downloaded, you might get an error like this, which says it can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Now, to fix this, what you have to do is you're gonna go to your system settings. From the system settings, here you're gonna go to your privacy and security, and here you can scroll all the way down and say allow. It's gonna show you the app you're trying to download. Just go ahead and say allow anyways, and then you're good to go. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video, and that's how simple it is to download an app on MacBook. Hopefully this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.